Yeah, so we saw a lot of opportunity to innovate in the e-bike space, create a solution that was more affordable, but still delivered really exciting specs, and then also allowed you to utilize the bike that you already own and love. Install it in 30 seconds on the front fork, and then you have a full powered e-bike. And you can just as easily take it off. No special equipment. Basically, you take it out of the box, it's ready to go. Install it really quickly on the front fork. You just have to attach the Velcro pedal sensor, and you're ready to ride. So it feels a little bit like you're being pushed. Basically, when you start to pedal, the motor's gonna engage, and when you stop, the motor stops. So it's a really intuitive riding experience. You almost kind of forget that you have the electric assist. You just feel like a much stronger rider. With our system, there's no throttle, there's no wire. You kind of ride the bike like you always have. So we have a 400-watt motor, a 36-volt battery system. It's going to take you up to 20 miles an hour, give you a range of up to 50 miles. Battery's going to take about 5 hours to charge. So if you find yourself in a situation where the battery's died, we have a clutch in the motor. So basically the wheels is just going to freewheel, and so you won't have any resistance from the motor. So a big feature of Electron Wheel is its connectivity to our app. So that's going to add a whole bunch of new features. Monitoring features where you can see your real-time battery life, speed, distance, duration, but you also can toggle between 4 different assist modes. So if you're riding and you find yourself wanting to conserve battery, you can turn it off, and then you can decide if you want to have a little bit of assist in low mode, all the way up to sort of the wheel doing most of the work in high mode. So something that we're really excited to announce at CES is an integration with the Google Assistant. And so the idea is that you can sort of take the phone, have it in your pocket or your backpack, just have your headphones in, and just have a conversation with the assistant. So you can say things like, hey Google, how fast am I riding? Or hey Google, how much battery do I have left? You can also toggle between the assist modes using the assistant. The wheel is available at an MSRP of $799. We sell it directly through our website at electronwheel.com. We're also working with Best Buy, so it's available on their website and in select stores, and also going to be available in some local and regional bike shops.